Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make long-lasting lip tint at home. Start by sterilizing tools and measuring pigments and carrier oils precisely. Melt beeswax gently and blend pigment into oil for a smooth, buildable base. Cool the mixture slightly before testing a small amount for color payoff and comfort. Store in an airtight tube and patch test each batch for safety and longevity. Gather cosmetic-grade pigment, beeswax, castor oil, shea butter, and vitamin E to start. Measure each ingredient precisely using a small digital scale for consistency. Warm beeswax and butters slowly over a double boiler until just melted to preserve oils. Stir pigment into oil thoroughly for an even shade and smooth glide. Allow mixture to cool slightly before pouring into tubes to set properly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy beauty tips. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs, spilled powders, and tiny craft messes with voice control, making cleanup a breeze after DIY lip tint sessions. It saves time and keeps your workspace tidy so you can focus on creativity. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Apply a thin layer of tint and blot with a tissue to remove excess and set the base. Use a lip liner to create crisp edges and prevent bleeding for all-day wear. Layer tiny amounts gradually to reach desired intensity while keeping a natural finish. Reapply only to the center for touch-ups to avoid thick buildup, and always check for comfort and hydration between uses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.